lesson is a CA gradient layer to apply gradient color in any view. So let's start. First of all, we are create a gradient variable like CA gradient layer. So it's a gradient and CA gradient layer and add the frame gradient. So gradient dot frame is first of all command this and run to check the our project screen is default is white screen. So we are apply in gradient color and this white screen. So the comment and view dot this is the main view dot bounce and like frame using as per your requirement and set the color. So color is a UI color dot blue dot apply is a CG color. So array is any type. We have required CG color and UI color dot red dot CG color and set the gradient position. The start point. So start point is CG point. So X and Y coordinate CG point. Ape is this point is the 0 0 coordinate X and Y 0 0 and this is 1.1 1 X and Y X. So 1.0 comma 1.0 0 0 coordinate and 1 1 coordinate X Y value to apply our gradient color. So start point 0.0 and 0.1 and gradient dot end point CG point and the end is 1.1 and second 1.0 and 1.0 and set the gradient location. So array 0.0 and 1.0 and add our view. So view dot layer dot insert as a sub layer. So layer is gradient. This is our gradient layer index at 0 index layer insert in 0 index. So run our project. This is apply our gradient color. We have apply is lots of array colors. So this is UI color dot orange dot CG color. Fourth one is yellow dot CG color and run our project. So we have lots of as per your requirement. This is changing location. This multicolor is not required. So this is 4 color and set the every color position. So second color is 0.2 0.3 fourth one 0.6 and second one 0.5. The as color set the position as per your distract any view color. So we are default comment and every color is separated equally. So remove these two color, decomment 1.0, but changing this position every color. So 0.5 0.5 to change position And next 0, 1.0 and 0.5. Every start and end point position where gradient color is the different effect. 0, 0, 5. The different effect apply as per your start and end point. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.